Well, everyone, you might be trying to figure out how you can use your Amazon Fire Stick without your remote. Now, doing this is actually very basic. The easiest way to do this is by going through and using the Amazon Fire TV application. So there's a Fire TV app that you can basically use, and it's basically if your phone and your Wi-Fi are connected to the same, Wi-Fi connection as your Fire Stick, then you'll be able to basically do this. So you want to download the official Amazon Fire TV application from the App Store or the Google Play Store. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the app. You want to select your device that comes up when you go and pair it up. And you want to click and basically type in the 4-digit code that's going to basically appear on your TV. You want to enter it, and then you want to go ahead and compare your phone to that Fire Stick. After that, you should be able to now go through and control your Fire Stick from your phone. You can go ahead and use a full remote on your Amazon Fire TV app. You can have a keyboard that pops up for easy typing and voice search. It's a really cool thing, but that's basically how you do it. It's a very basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.